When it's time to show off at Shanghai's auto show, German automakers pull out all the stops. Showroom floors lined with shiny BMWs and tech-filled Mercedes that look like cars from the future. China has become a lifeline for Germany's top automakers as profits in Europe have slumped. Today, 1 in 3 German-made cars are sold across China, and CEOs have a new focus on satisfying Chinese customers.
China is the biggest automotive market in the world, and it's the most important market for us. We have a very broad footprint in China. Chinese customers are tech savvy, they're smart, they know what they want, so it's also a bellwether for us where technology is going, and we see tremendous growth opportunity in China going forward.
But success abroad has been met with ambivalence at home by nervous economists who fear the current relationship is not sustainable in the long term. China is investing billions into homemade high-tech car brands that can compete. And any dip in the two nations' trading ties could put reliant German automakers at risk.
At the very top level of the management, I think there's pretty much concern about the role that China plays in the meantime. And also the future competitors that come from China, that produce cars. I think this is not of high importance for the next 2-3 years, but it's I think of high importance for the, let's say, the second half of the decade.
Over 4 terms as Chancellor, Angela Merkel said common trade and investment commitments would help Germany and China grow together. State visits often included a tour of the latest in automotive cooperation, including brands like Volkswagen opening more than 25 factories across China. But in her last year in office, Merkel changed her tune and urged German companies to look towards other markets.
Currently,
around 3/4 of our Asia exports go to East Asia, half to China alone. In view of this, there are still many opportunities for diversification and the development of additional markets throughout the Asia-Pacific region.
The future of auto industry cooperation will depend significantly on the composition of the next government. Left-leaning parties have called for a reassessment of German-China ties, with some going as far as threatening to put business on the back burner while other issues are discussed. Meanwhile, the CDU's Armin Laschet has vowed to continue the special relationship established by Angela Merkel and has called for closer cooperation. Ryan Thompson, CGTN, Berlin.